Hey man, say man, we back with another video. Just got a knock on the door, been expecting some parts. So let's check it out. I know this ain't what I think it is. Pretty big box. Let's bring it in the house. Alright guys, looks like today is the big day. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this box for you guys and just give you a glimpse of the next transformation on the V. Let me open this box. Alright guys, big shout out to Dedicated Motorsports for the fast shipping and great customer service. Great company outside of Dallas, Texas, and let's go ahead and get started with see what parts we got in. I'm wrapping. First of all, I got a sticker, stay dedicated, a little keychain. Okay, so first I got some gaskets in. Not sure where these gaskets go. Gates green belt. It's always cool to have a green belt to go on your supercharger for the pulley combo. My first set of head gaskets. Some more head gaskets right here. Next I got an ATI super damper. Not sure what this is. It's got another AC deco part. Next I got a 9.2 lower pulley for the car. A lot of parts come in this little box. CHG valve train component. More AC deco parts. I got more ARP bolts. And also got a bolts and studs ARP kit. I always use the best quality bolts and studs when you go into your engine. Next I got rods from Texas Speed, 7.4. Relocation bracket for the lower. And of course I got my springs and everything for cam kit. Next I got my Johnson lifters, 2110R. Very good lifters, probably one of the best around. And then of course I got the one and only Shigon cam, specifically made by DMS Motorsports, Dedicated Motorsports out of Dallas. It's a very good cam, man. You should check it out if you really want to hear some clips of it, and even performance. Probably one of the best in the Cts V game and everything. So yeah guys, so that's the unboxing for today. And I say in a couple days we're gonna be taking the car to JMG Motorsports. That's a local shop here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Please check them out if you will do. They've done a couple things to the car. I've already built that relationship with them and we're just gonna keep rolling with them. Please check them out, Facebook. And I think they have an Instagram too. If so, I'll leave the links in the description. And also I'll be getting tuned by the one and only Justin White. So yeah, I'm ready to turn this thing up, man. Today we're gonna be dropping the V off at JMG Motorsports. Good local shop here. And we're just gonna be going and taking for a cam swap, so let's get going. Alright guys, gonna let the car warm up a little bit. car is packed full of all the parts, and I'll see you when I get there. Alright guys, so here's a sneak peek of what you can expect from the shop. This white V is getting ported heads and ported blower, and also getting a cam swap to a bigger cam. Remember, if you're in the Tulsa, Oklahoma area, remember to hit up JMZ Motorsports for all your performance modifications and even maintenance needs on the car. That's going to be all for this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and I'm out.